In a remote farm in Texas lived Jayden Carter, a young immigrant who arrived with his father from a poor country, chasing the dream of a better life. His father worked long, grueling hours in the fields, barely making enough to survive. They had no stable electricity, no internet, not even a television. Education was a luxury far out of reach. By the age of 18, Jayden knew only the basics of English. His pronunciation was poor, his vocabulary limited, and he was too shy to speak in public. One day, after a long, hot day in the fields, his father looked at him and said, "I have nothing to leave you, but if you learn English, you can build yourself a new life." Those words changed everything. From that moment on, Jayden began his journey. He borrowed secondhand books, listened to old radio lessons, and taped a note to his wall that read, "I will speak English. I will teach it one day." Years passed. He never stopped. He learned one word a day, wrote one sentence each night, and practiced speaking to his reflection. He didn't have friends at first, but he had a vision. At the age of 45, after countless attempts and setbacks, he enrolled in an adult education program. He later earned a university degree in English literature. Today, Jayden Carter is no longer just a former farm worker. He's a university professor of English, inspiring students from all walks of life. In every lecture, he ends with the same powerful line: "Migration was the beginning, but language was the key. It's the lesson." He had no money, no support, and no head start, but he had determination. That was more than enough to change everything.